Kublai pi baro kini longi kubor bam tagasngi. Umintri rong ba ka jula konrad ke sangma kasngi palai ulapun ramjur halor ka video basya peniat lingkut ki arngut ki Kynthtei ha Manipur habadawa bagi nongle ya kani ka kambaman ki dei banyo ya ka jingpin saja Kaba ta samtam. Haba kentho apo ka Twitter ukonrad ulong i la pet satya ka jingja berangshen ha Manipur ban shimno ya ka Burom ka ijat jonginu ginu ki briu ka di ka kam ba penjak Burom tam bat ka ba persya ya ka long briu man briu. Nga penram jur ya kum kini kikam kinongle ya kani ka kam ki dei banyo ya ka jingpen saja bata samtam. Umentri rang ba ka Manipur Biren Singh uloong ka jingkenra ka bajur kelayat menta ha ki jaka basuba jia kate ka jingja ba labatharu ya ka cyber crime ban pentikna ya kani ka video hinan kamit hi ngilal kami we ubriu ba khmat ubran kti ya kani ka kam basotrim.
It is really something that just shouldn't have happened, and the government must take action against all these people who have done this. As I said, I repeat again that this is completely unacceptable what has happened, and strong action must be taken. Absolutely, to the Chief Minister as well as to the Home Ministry and to the Honorable Prime Minister also. You must be aware that even before this, about a month back, I have already written to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister regarding certain measures and actions to be taken in Manipur, not as Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but as a political party. To write to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister for this. So we have been doing that. In the last all-party meeting that was called, I had attended personally, and we've been stressing on this. So yes, this incident, as I said, is very disturbing, and we will press that all measures should be taken so that action is taken against those who are guilty.